In this video, I will share a Migrate WordPress plugin with all of you. It will be very helpful for all of web developer to create a backup file for whole WordPress website. So I will show you everything step by step. And the main thing of this plugin is you don't need to download your backup file on your PC. Okay, you can directly migrate your one website to other. Like as you can see on my screen, there is a whole website design on a local host path in my PC, and other one is totally blank, as you can see. Okay, now I will install a plugin, as I said before, two of my website. At first I am going on my designed website dashboard, then I will also going on dashboard in blank website. Okay, then we need to install same plugin on both of website. This is first step I'm doing. With the plugin called WP Vivek Backup plugin. Okay, simply search by this name, this one. Okay, we will install this plugin, Migrate Backup. Just simply click on install now, then same install on both of website. I already installed in this one. Okay, just after install, simply just click on activate. So after installed and activated the plugin on both of my website, you will redirect to this interface. As you can see, both of my website is as in same interface. Okay, so the step is we need to create a key from our blank website, like this one. This one is my blank website. Simply just click on this key option, then click on this generate. Oh, they are generated a key for me. Simply just click the key and go to your design website, then simply click on this auto migration, then simply just paste the key in there. Okay, so simply just click on this save button. So now we need to click on this clone and transfer button on this designed website dashboard. Okay, simply just click on it. Our migration process is already started. So as you can see, my backup already completed. Now I will check on my blank website. I am on my blank website. Now I will refresh the site, then I will okay, now we have got a received backup file in there. Now we want to click on this restore. Okay, we will click on this restore button. After click on this restore button, our site will be restored. Click on this and click on OK. Processing is started. We need to wait again. So we have successfully restored our backup on our blank website. Now I am clicking on OK. Then now I will click on visit site, then check that our website is properly showing or not. So as you can see, my website is migrated on my other website, as you can see, and this one is my first one, blank one, and this one is the real one. Okay, so you can easily use this plugin on your own project or client's project to migrate or import in a short time. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Also give it a thumbs up on this video. Thanks again.